Yeah. 100 some shots on my gun, pull up, take 'em down. Used to be broke, now I'm touching, see figure now. Shoot about the money, I don't fuck with no bank account. Lost in my pocket, pop out with a large amount. Ain't with the internet, be we can shoot it out. I got your bitch at the crib with a booty out.
What do y'all want, bro? Why are you here? No, I'm bullshitting. What's good, YouTube? It's the one and only back with another video. I know what y'all came for. Y'all seen the title and the thumbnail. So I'm not gonna do too much talking. We're gonna get right into it. So that's the door. I might give a fuck about that, but then just go in and out of that. But you come over here, you got the kitchen. Yeah, it's a kitchen. You got the fridge right here. Got a motherfucking, I guess this is a coffee maker, I don't know. Don't know what this is. I got a toaster. Got a motherfucking, see what I'm saying? Microwave. I think I got some food in there. Nope. Got my microwave. Let's see what's in the fridge. Ain't shit up in there. We ain't got never drinks over here. But yeah, this is the kitchen. Ain't really much to see over here. You know what I'm saying? Got some knives right there. And y'all listen. Just listen. I ain't gonna do too much talking. Just listen though. Come over here. Hold on. Let me show y'all this. And here. Another little storage closet, got an iron board and shit in there, shit like that. Nothing too crazy, some little shit. Normal household shit. We got a dishwasher right here. Got a dishwasher. You come over here. This is the laundry room. It's the laundry room, washer and dryer. Self-explanatory. It ain't nothing. I mean, if you don't know what that is, then you obviously don't need help. Come over here. Got an island that's connected to the kitchen. Big booty island, big ass island, shit like that. Then you come right here. Got a full body length mirror. I'd recommend y'all go get one of those if you don't got one. Get you a full length body mirror. Okay. Then come over here. Then this the living room or whatever you want to call it. Got a chair right here, couch right here, coffee table. Another chair. Then if you come over here, it's a TV right here. Got a TV mounted on the wall. I ain't been watching this TV baby, but got a TV. Then that's the plants right there. I need to put something else right here the whole time. I need to put something else right here. I don't know why it happened. But if you come over here, got the balcony. It's dark out here, but it's a balcony. Motherfuckers know what a balcony look like. I'm pretty sure y'all know what a balcony look like. Do y'all know what a balcony look like? Fuck. Y'all niggas don't know what a balcony look like, bro. I don't know what to tell you. But if you come in here, this is a room. This is where people go to sleep at. This is the place where people rest. See what I'm saying? Got two lights on, two nightstands, 2 lights. Carl's got a mirror over it. I like this, you know what I'm saying? Carl's got a mirror over it now. So, shit like that. Then you come make your way in here. This is the bathroom. It ain't nothing too exquisite. You got the shower right here. Shower ain't that big, but still get your ass clean though. You still can get clean in there though. You can still get clean in there though. It might not be the biggest, but you can still get clean in there though. See what I'm saying? You might not be the thickest, but no, got all the little hygiene products and all that type of shit right there. And then once you make your way back, cause this is another thing I like about this apartment. This the room. Then when you come out the room to the bathroom, let's say you want to get something to drink real quick, you just got to shower. You don't got to walk all the way back through the room just to get to the kitchen. You can come right through here, and then you right back where you started. Now I'm gonna tell y'all this. This is a trash can right here. I ain't gonna show y'all this. I'm gonna tell y'all this. This apartment is damn near like, it's like damn near soundproof. Like you can't really hear nothing here. That's one thing I do like about it. You can't really hear what be going on in other people's apartments. It's like it's damn near like a house, but I know it's not a house though. So, but yeah, it's cool though. It's cool and shit like that. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Y'all let me know if I downgraded or upgraded. I don't really care what y'all say. I done already moved in. So yeah, if you want to donate to me, cause you see, I ain't got no food. You want to donate to me? Throw me a couple dollars. Do that, cause I am broke as hell now, like broke as hell. But I ain't want to make this video long. I just want y'all to see my new crib and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Oh, y'all might see this video before y'all see my vlog. I did a vlog for my 22nd birthday and shit like that. So make sure y'all go check that video out. It's gonna be dropping a couple days after this video. Make sure y'all run that video up. It's a decent little, tight little vlog. Got a couple of fun-filled activities in there and shit like that I did for my birthday. I had a good time, feel me? But yeah, this video wasn't meant to be long. I just wanted to give y'all a little stroll through DQ Lane. A little stroll through DQ Land. I'll catch y'all in the next video, man, gang.